Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the like button so you will receive our upcoming videos. Today we're gonna talk about Huawei P30 Pro. Let's have a look. The Huawei P30 and P30 Pro could be announced at Mobile World Congress 2019, which takes place from 25th to 28th February in Barcelona. This would be a little earlier in this year than the P20 and P20 Pro, both of which were announced at the separate event at the end of March 2018. But Huawei did use MWC from the Huawei P10 series in 2017, so it's not out of the question. We know the P30 series is definitely coming after Huawei CEO Richard Yeo confirmed it is a group of journalists at IFA 2018. But when it will arrive and what it will offer have yet to be officially detailed. If it follows the same pattern from the Mate 20 Pro, then it suggested that the Huawei Mate 30 Pro will be the OME's first penta-lens phone. What those 5 cameras will do, no one knows yet. Huawei ditched the monochrome sensor, so all could be RGB cameras. One, however, could be that time of flight TOF cameras that seems to be gaining popularity. Huawei P30 Pro will features a 38 megapixel Sony IMX607 image sensor. The sensor, which is upcoming but not yet announced, is a 1/1.8 image sensor with a square pixel array. It has been claimed Huawei will be the first manufacturers to use the image sensor. Of course, it's just pent up for a smartphone case, so it's not set in stone yet, but given the Huawei P30 Pro is expected to be Huawei first quad camera phone, chances are it will continue down that path sooner or later. As the company has dual flagship, the P30 Pro will be the next to launch in a couple of months at MWC or just after. This will go head to head with the Samsung Galaxy S10 and likely use the Kirin 980, but improve on other aspects including cameras and possibly gain wireless charging as well. So Huawei make it 3 strategies sessionals at flagship with the P30 Pro. Rumors are already swirling about the company next premium handset, which has a couple of those follow. Even so, it could again the flagship to beat in early 2019. Although Samsung Galaxy S10 and other handsets may give when it a run for its money. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding about Huawei P30 Pro. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please tell us in the comments below and click the bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe our channel My Technological World, and peace out. Take care. Bye bye.